Hey guys, I have been busy all day and I really needed to get these cheeses out today. It's like 8:45 Saturday night. I don't know if the video will go up for Saturday, but you know, I'm doing my best. Here's my Swiss. Well, it's Emmentaler cheese. And it's freshly out of the mold, so it's still a little soft. You know, it tastes like Swiss cheese. It's really good. It's still soft, but I do have another one in another mold. They need to stay in the fridge overnight and age a little. But I needed to get this out to show you guys. It's so good. Never liked Swiss cheese much when I was a kid. But vegan Emmentaler is really good. And this is Gruyère. I've already had some of this. Most of it fit in my funny little cheese mold, but I had a little bit of extra, which I put in a bowl. Oh, wow. It's so rich. They're so different. This is the classic cheese that they melt on top of slices of toasted French bread and float in French onion soup. So we're definitely going to do that. I love that cheese. It's really good. You can also turn this into fondue. This is what I turned into fondue on New Year's Eve. I have another fondue recipe. It was shared with me from Ian Schruffler. And if you aren't subscribed to him, you should go subscribe to him. He's cheering up. His cat stole his car and went on a joyride to Mexico. So, yeah, he needs some new subscribers to make him feel better. Anyway, he shared with me a recipe for a yucca root, and I couldn't get yucca roots, either whole or frozen, anywhere. So I had to use cassava flour, and so that's what I did. He gave me a basic recipe, which I adapted to the cassava flour, and I already know it's good.